Hi everyone! Today we're talking about all the little things we do every day. From waking up and brushing our teeth to playing games and watching the news, our daily routines are full of action. Let's learn these words with some fun examples and maybe a laugh or two. Ready? Let's go.
Wake up means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m., but my bed is so comfy that I never want to leave it. My alarm clock rings so loudly it could probably wake the neighbors. Sometimes I hit the snooze button and dream about waking up on a sunny beach instead. Brush means to clean your teeth or hair. I brush my teeth every day so they stay shiny and strong. My toothbrush is white, and it looks like it's smiling at me every morning. Don't forget to brush your hair too, otherwise you might scare the cat with your messy look. Eat means to consume food. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. and salads are my favorite. Sometimes I eat so quickly that I feel like a vacuum cleaner. Food gives you energy, so don't skip your meals unless you want to feel like a sleepy snail. Go means to move to a place. I go down many stairs to meet my friend. Sometimes I imagine flying down the stairs on a magic carpet. It would be much faster. Going places is fun, but the best part is coming back to my home. Study means to learn about a subject. I study English every evening, and I feel proud when I learn new words. Studying can feel like climbing a mountain, but the view from the top is amazing. Remember, even a little study each day can make a big difference. Work means to do a job. I work late every night, but it is okay because my chair is super comfortable. Work can be tough sometimes, but it's how we earn money for things like pizza and movie nights. I always work hard because it makes dreams come true. Play means to do something fun. The kids play in the park, running and laughing like they've never been tired in their lives. Playing is the perfect way to forget about homework and just have fun. Whether it's soccer, hide and seek, or video games, playtime is the best time. Sleep means to rest with closed eyes. I sleep at 10 p.m., but sometimes I like to stay up and count stars. Sleeping is like recharging your body's battery so you can have energy for the next day. Sweet dreams are the best, especially when you dream about flying or eating cake. Read means to look at written words. I read a book before bed, and it takes me on adventures to magical places. Reading is like opening a door to a different world where anything can happen. The best part is, you don't even need a ticket, just your imagination. Watch means to look at something like TV or animals. I watch the news on Saturday, and on Sunday I like to watch the birds in my garden. Watching TV is fun, but I also like to watch the animals on Sunday mornings.
And there you have it, our action-packed list of daily activities. Whether you're waking up to a noisy alarm or playing games with friends, now you can talk about your day with confidence. What's your favorite thing to do? Thanks for learning with me, and don't forget to sleep early so you're ready for another fun day tomorrow.